Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to explore a very important concept in object-oriented programming, which is constructors in Python. So what is a constructor? A constructor is a special method that is automatically called when an object is created. Its primary purpose is to initialize the attributes of the object. In Python, the constructor method is named /init, which like that. Now let's create a new Python file called constructors.py. So let's modify our previous employee class to use a constructor. We can copy it and paste it here. Now we can start the customizing code. Def init self. Here the init method accepts the three parameters: salary, name and bond. Self, salary, name, bond. Here the init method accepts the three parameters, which is salary, name and bond, and uses them to initialize the object's attribute. Now let's create an object from this class. Employee E1 equals to employee 90,000, and we can write the pass, because we can write the code letter here. 90,000 comma double quotes Govind comma 8. Now in the init method we can write self.salary equals to salary, self.name equals to name, self.bond equals to bond. It creates an instant attribute of the name salary and assign it with the salary, and also change the getSalary method, which can return self.salary. If I print e1.getSalary, you will see the output 90,000. So we have successfully used the constructor to initialize our object. Basically, def getSalary is the another method to print all employees information. We can also add another method to print full employee information. Def getInfo print f strings double quotes the name of employees name and salaries self.salary, and we can also change self.name. The name of employee is self.name and salary is self.salary, and the bond is self.bond. If I run this e1.getInfo, it will print all the details. The name of employee is Govind, salary is 90,000 and the bond is 8 years. So you may think how it works. When you create an object like this, Python automatically calls the init method. It fills in the values and sets up the internal state of the object. Each time you access something like self.salary, you are accessing the salary of the specific object the method is being called on. Self always refers to the current object like E1 or E2 or any other instances. With this, you now understand how to use constructors to build more flexible and dynamic Python classes. In the next video, we will explore str and wrapper methods to make our objects print beautifully when we display them. Use